I'm at the store in the process of getting me a MacBook. So we're gonna see. Yes, we will. I think it's a good deal. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube. Explain that to me.
Your YouTube.
Yeah. You don't mind, man? Mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead. Explain it to me. That's the one for 200? Mm-hmm. Okay.
2017 MacBook Air. 128 storage.
Y'all have a good one. Have a good one.
Okay, my
Good
baby.
seeing
Love
you.
you. Mm-hmm.
Got 8 gigs of RAM and 1.8 gigabyte processor.
Mm-hmm.
It might have just died.
Why did they have it charged up? I think this is a great deal.
Hey, holding this MacBook just.
What, baby?
I was talking to Holden. Just died.
Okay.
I'm not waiting for it to charge.
Oh, no, I just wanted them to see your shirt.
Oh, okay.
I'm so serious. I'm trying to take care of you, baby.
I see you.
Yeah.
You famous on YouTube?
Not yet, but I'm working on it. I got
working?
some stuff out there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got a charge?
Yeah, my your little juice on it.
Okay, that's the only color you come in?
That's the only color.
Okay, that's okay. I'm not really, I just wanted to know. But I want to show everybody the good deal they could get if they come over here. Yeah, I've been coming here for a long time, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 2017 MacBook Air, 1.8 gigabyte processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigabytes storage.
Okay, that sounds good. And how much is it?
200.
Oh, okay, well, I think I want that.